What's that? It's Elsa! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Mohawk Motors. My name is Jason. We're switching things up today. We are still working on a vehicle of sorts, but it's actually for my daughter instead of for myself or for a customer. So this is going to be her first motorized toy. I think she's going to be really excited to ride it, and we need to get it put together. Now, the first thing you need to do when assembling any child's toy is get yourself a beverage of some kind, whatever you prefer. Water, soda, tea. I have a mule. Get that, because more than likely you're going to have to de-stress a little bit through this process. Let's get this thing out of the box and see what we need to get it put together. Look good, styrofoam. That's normal. I don't think I've opened a child's toy yet that parts didn't fly everywhere when you take it out of the box. There we go, we got 4 wheels. Just stuff in plastic. Look at that. Comes with its own microphone. Personally, I like to get everything unwrapped before I start assembling. You do it however you like to do it. But I feel like that makes it easier for me to find the pieces I need when I'm ready for them. Oh, this must be hubcaps. Alright. This thing came mostly assembled. That's fantastic. Okay, we've got everything unwrapped. Now, in my younger days, when there was plenty of time and I didn't have anything else to do, I wouldn't even look at these instructions. But time is short. There's always more stuff that needs to get done than there is time, so straight to the instructions. Nice exploded view. Looks like we need a Phillips head screwdriver. And they included this little plastic wrench for us. Really a relatively simple assembly. Put the wheels on, slide the axle in place, nothing to it. So I need to charge it, and then we're going to give it to her this afternoon, and we'll let her take it for a little test ride. It's only a 6-volt toy at this point, so I don't expect it to set the world on fire as far as speed or power or anything like that. But I am looking forward to hopping this thing up a little bit once she gets the hang of it. There's plenty of space here under the seat that I could add another one of these 6-volt batteries, or even a compact 12-volt like out of a motorcycle or something like that. So at some point, once she gets the hang of it and she's confident and comfortable, we'll go ahead and we'll give this thing a little more power for her. But that's it for this video, team. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. To everybody that has subscribed, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And until the next video, take care. What's that? It's Elsa! You can ride it.
Here, sweet girl, let me take Penguin. You can get on. Yeah, come on, Lovey.
Push the button, baby.
Oh,
Push the button. Hold on tight.
Careful.
Woo!
Carter, move. Carter, put your feet on it.
Woo!
It's gonna go straight into my car.
There you go. Woo! Woohoo! Oh. Whoa!
Now pull the other hand.
Pull the other hand, or go that way. That works.
Circle. All right, Ellie, come to me. Pull the other hand.
Whoa!